So we got the Camlink Pro. What's in the box? I don't know. Probably not much because it's a fairly simple product. It's PCI. So you don't need to use any of your USB ports, and it's faster and less latency than the HD60S. Ah, knife attack. Classic Elgato fashion, little box, and ooh, hello, brand new device. Got the Camlink Pro and its protective shielding against static. Well, let me ground myself real quick. Boom. Oh, this is sexy. So as you can see, you will need a PCI 4X minimum, although you can put it in the 8X or 16X slot, but minimum of 4X, and you get 4 HDMI in, and very important, HDMI in only. So if you need to monitor what's coming in, you'll need to figure another way than just plugging 2 HDMI in it. Okay, what else we get? A card. Okay. We have a Elgato. Ooh, it's a metal sticker, like metal. Huh. Interesting. I might actually put this on my case. Kind of like Elgato. Kind of like Elgato. We have anything in the box like HDMI? Nothing. So that's it. Unboxing. Fairly simple. So that was sort of a short unboxing. There's only one part in it. Let's shove it in and see if it works. Here is my streaming rig. It's a very, very, very cheap PC. We're talking about a 3600X Ryzen 5 and a 1660 Ti. So barely above minimum spec for the video card and technically under spec for the CPU. Now, the Ryzen 5 only has whatever amount of thread it says at the bottom of the screen, and the Ryzen 7 has more than that. And on top of that, I already have a 4K 60 Mark II, also from Elgato. So this may or may not be an issue. Now, I recently upgraded the motherboard to be able to accommodate both cards. You need to make sure that you have at least 2 PCI slots and that they're far enough from each other so that your video card and your capture card can live on the same board. So basically, full-size ATX board. And this is an X570, so the board is very overkill for what's on it. Start a call, very easy. Remove one of your shield at the back of the case. You take your card. And you shove it in. Now, other than securing it with the screw you've just removed from one of your shields, that's basically all you have to do. Now, mind you, my system has one M2 drive. So again, there's a possibilities that my lanes are gonna freak out and that I may have to go plane my BIOS to have it working. But I'll let you know in a second. I'm gonna put the glass panel back on and we're gonna switch over to the desk. Alright, computer posted. So this is good news. And now let's find out if I can install the proper software. Let's switch over to OBS. Now we're inside the computer. Let's go check out Device Manager. In this window, we'll be able to find out if there's any, missing items with a little exclamation point saying that they're missing driver. But so far, so good. If we go under Sound, Video, and Game Controller, as you can see, I have my Camlink Pro and my Game Capture, both of them working fine. So this is good. Now let's go on to Elgato's website and see if our card works. Hell yeah! Download. We have the new Camlink Pro, and as you can see, the software you need is the 4K capture utility. Easy download, 57 megabyte, not too bad. Utility, pretty straightforward. Click next. Accept the agreement. Help improve with unanimous usage data. I mean, sure. Default install location, if that's your jam. Install, you're gonna get a Windows Universal Prompt at some stage because it's gonna change things on your system. It has been installed. The software is now running. It is advising us that we have no signal, but it is normal. When it first gets installed, it defaults to HDMI 1, so you want to go into there and switch it to whichever HDMI you want to check. Click OK, and now, and voila, we have a 4K 60. Now I'm doing a screen capture of a screen capture, and let's test it out. So far it's looking great. Ooh, sexy camera. So here I am into OBS. I do not seem to have any extra delay, but I'll only find out in post. I have 0 milliseconds set on my microphone, so this is the default setting. ELGATO Camlink PRO installed, working. It was very straightforward. The last thing I need to do is to connect more camera. Right now I only have a GoPro and my DSLR to connect to. There's another GoPro in the mail. Should arrive tomorrow. And I'll post all my findings over on my social media. Or you can always hop into my Twitch chat whenever I stream on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday and ask me all about it. All right. Happy streaming, everyone.